Koba's going to be working on the firewall for the 55. We did have to move it back to accommodate the larger motor that's in there. We also had a couple things that we had to take out. We didn't need all the holes that are in there. You know, the AC bulkhead is off to the side, so that had to get, you know, moved. The original, you know, where all the wiring was coming through for the AC system that was there, it was like a really bulky system.
You tune in this Sunday at 8 p.m. on POWERtube TV.